Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today we are talking about global transport safety because whether you're in a car, a truck, or on a bike, if you can't see, you're driving blind. Millions of vehicles are on the road right now with improperly maintained headlights, and it is a ticking time bomb. Phase 1, the silent killer, oxidation. Over time, UV rays from the sun bake the plastic lenses on your headlights, turning them cloudy and yellow. This doesn't just make your car look old, it blocks up to 80% of the light output. You think your lights are on, but you're actually casting a dim shadow. Phase 2, the blinding beam. Headlights aren't just plug and play. If your vehicle hits a pothole, gets into a minor bump, or carries heavy cargo, the physical alignment shifts. Misaligned lights do two terrible things. They completely blind oncoming traffic, causing head-on collisions, and they fail to illuminate the road ahead of you. The best part? Fixing this takes 10 minutes and costs almost nothing. A simple restoration kit removes the haze, and a basic screwdriver can realign your beams against a garage wall. It's the cheapest life insurance policy in the universe. Global humanity relies on moving safely. Don't let a dirty piece of plastic or a loose screw be the reason you don't make it home tonight. Do me a favor, don't just subscribe. Look at the headlights of the next 3 cars you pass. If they're yellowed, share this video with a friend or family member who drives at night. You might literally save their life. Stay safe out there.